Hello everyone and welcome to this video series. My name is Cornelia. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a dynamic custom preference center. As usual, I will present the use case, conduct the demo, and then conclude. Note that this is the third part in a series of videos about the custom preference center. So if you haven't watched the previous video, I invite you to look over this before carry on with this one. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the use case. A retail company has implemented a custom preference center to manage customer subscriptions. Some days later, they need to add a new subscription type to their existing preference center. To address this, we will create a dynamic custom preference center in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This approach enables the addition of new subscription types without requiring code modifications, thereby enhancing its flexibility and scalability for future updates. Well, we reached the demo, so it's time for the demo. So let's get into Salesforce Marketing Cloud right now. So as you can see, I'm already logging into Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and I would like to show you briefly what will be our outcome for today. So today, we will be able to dynamically add a new subscription into our preference center. So this is our custom preference center that we create in the previous video. So you can see that we have newsletter and promotion. So our goal will be to add another one without any code at all. All right. So what we have to do, we will just go and add. I will show you quickly how we don't need at all to add a code. So I will call this new one new collection, and I will copy paste that in the display name as well. The description, I will leave that empty, and the position I will put -1. This way, the new collection subscription will be on the top, so that will appear here in the top. Okay, so let's save it. Good. Now, what you have to do is to add a new subscription as an attribute in a master subscriber data extension. Okay. Up, create. Pum, 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 pum. So let's refresh. I'm not patient. Okay. Okay. Let's see if you have. Okay, we have new collection has an attribute in a master subscriber data extension. Okay, so let's see now. We will refresh this page. Woohoo! You can see now that we have a new collection has a subscription type in our custom preference center. Okay, and as you see, I haven't used any code at all. So now what what we have to do in order to be able to have that correctly implemented. Okay, so I will show you that step by step. So now let's go in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So firstly, you will notice that I create a new data extension, which I called Master Subscription. And in there, you can see that the subscription name is a primary key. And I add other fields, which are the display name, description, and also the position. Okay. And this table will serve to add your new subscription. So each time that you would like to add a new subscription type into your custom preference center, you just need to add a new record here. Okay, you add a new record in this master subscription data extension, and then you add a new attribute in the master subscriber data extension. Okay, so when it's done, now what I did is to go on the code, and you know that in my previous video I create CPC 1, CPC version 1, and here this one is a pointer, and this one contains the code. Okay, and you see that we have ID 117601 8 point in here, and about the CPC 2 version 2 we have that here, and you see, and that point on the CPC version 2. Okay, but you can notice that it's different now. Why it is different? Because I duplicate I create another one. So CPC 2 version 1, I create another one, which is CPC 2 version 2. So why I did that? Because I changed the code in the CPC 2 version 1. So as you can see here, our preference center is managed with this block of code. Okay, so here the code is the way that the code is it's written that we will not be able to create our subscription type dynamically. So that's why I need to update this block of code, and because of that I create another code snippet which I name CPC 2 version 2. Okay, and in this one you will see that here in this block subscription, you can see that I use I set the subscription RS equal lookup order row, and here I call the master subscription. Okay, and I call all the row. So 0 is because that will display all the row which are in the master subscription, and the position will be in the order, and we have to display also and this will be when we have 1, and also I said here that if we have a result which are different of 0, if we have a result which is bigger or equal to 1, so you have to display the subscription. So you can see that here I display the name of the description of the subscription, sorry, and the lookup, I use the lookup to be able to see if we have the subscriber key as well. So you need to have a unique subscriber key, and depending on the subscriber key, you will be able to display the subscription name. Okay, so when the subscriber will receive the email, by clicking on the email, he will be able to see his preference center, okay, and change his preference depending of what he would like to have as a communication. Okay, so that's all that what I did as a modification. And one thing also is that I update the cloud page, so the update a preference form, and you can see that if I go on property, we have the page ID 4143, and you have to copy paste that in the code, as you can see here, and and also you will see that I update as well this page by adding the CPC version 2, CPC 2 version 2 in the update preference form as well. Okay, so when it's done, when you are happy with your implementation, now you can save it, and then you will be able to have the same result like me. Okay, yeah, so if for instance you send an email, okay, if you send for instance the email, let's see test, you can see here, this is the data station, and if for instance the customer receives this email, he will be able to click email preference and change, and okay, he will be able to see the new subscription. Yeah, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, let me know in the comments below, and see you soon for the next video. Yeah, bye for now. Ciao.